Step into the warmth of the kitchen with me as we embark on a journey to create a timeless classic, pecan pie. Imagine the aroma of toasted pecans mingling with sweet caramel, promising a slice of comfort with every bite. Are you ready to indulge in a taste of Southern hospitality? First, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and gather our ingredients. As we assemble them, envision the golden crust of our pie forming, ready to cradle the luscious filling that awaits. Now, in a mixing bowl, we'll whisk together 3 large eggs, 1 cup of light corn syrup, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and a splash of vanilla extract. With each whisk, we're weaving together the flavors that will make this pie unforgettable. Next, we'll gently fold in 1½ cups of pecan halves until they're evenly coated in the sweet, amber mixture. Imagine the crunch of the pecans giving way to the gooey goodness that surrounds them, a texture that's as comforting as it is irresistible. With our filling ready, it's time to pour it into a prepared pie crust, ensuring that every nook and cranny is filled with the promise of pecan perfection. As we slide the pie into the oven, imagine the scent of caramelizing sugar filling the air, heralding the arrival of a dessert worthy of any occasion. After about 50 to 60 minutes of baking, our pecan pie emerges from the oven, its crust golden brown and its filling set with just a gentle jiggle in the center. We'll let it cool to room temperature, resisting the temptation to slice into it too soon. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for arrives. With a sharp knife, we'll cut into our pecan pie, revealing its treasure trove of pecans nestled in a sea of caramelized sweetness. Each slice is a testament to the simple joys of home baking, a reminder of the traditions that bind us together. As we savor each bite of pecan pie, let's bask in the warmth of the kitchen and the company of loved ones. Join me again soon for more culinary adventures and the timeless flavors that make life sweet. Until then, happy baking!